Earth Day is a time to raise awareness about the importance of protecting this fragile planet. Joining us now is Chief Scientist and Senior Climate Advisor for NASA, Dr. Kate Calvin, to help celebrate Earth Day and give us the inside scoop on what NASA is learning about our home planet. Good morning.
Good morning.
Glad to have you with us here, and you have some new views to share from NASA's newest Earth-observing satellite called PACE, right?
Absolutely. PACE launched about 2 months ago, and we now have images of it. It's telling us about tiny things in the ocean and tiny things in the atmosphere, including telling us about ocean color and ocean health.
I mean, we've heard the statistic. We know 70% of our planet's covered by water, so kind of fitting that this Earth Day we're focusing on the oceans. What exactly is ocean color, and what does it tell us about the health of our oceans?
So our oceans aren't just blue. You also see different shades of green, and that green comes from what's living in the surface ocean. So there's these tiny particles or things called phytoplankton. They're tiny life, and they absorb sunlight and carbon dioxide, and they turn different shades of green depending on the type of phytoplankton and how much you have. You can see that swirling around. And we want to understand those different types of phytoplankton because they play different roles in our Earth system. Some are the base of the food chain and can lead to, fish eating it and help us predict fisheries. Some are toxic and can lead to harmful algal blooms. And so we want to understand those so that we can better predict harmful algal blooms.
PACE is also tracking small particles in our atmosphere like smoke from wildfires. Why do we want to measure these tiny little particles from space? How is that important?
Yeah, so tiny particles in the atmosphere called aerosols. They can affect weather, climate, and air quality. So they affect climate because they can either reflect or absorb sunlight depending on the color of the particle. They also, different types of particles lead to different types of clouds, and clouds play an important role in weather and climate. And there's different types of particles. Some are dust, some are wildfire smoke, some are sea salt, and things like wildfire smoke have air quality effects. And so PACE will also give us more information about air quality.
You know, we think about here in Western New York, we had a lot of that wildfire smoke coming down from Canada last summer. We all experienced it. Can PACE kind of help to A, track that, and B, also understand the impact of it?
So what we know from studying the Earth is that climate change is driving more wildfires. So it leads to conditions that are hot, dry, and windy. It leads to more fuel for fire, and that wildfire smoke travels. So it moves from one place to another. So what we saw last summer were wildfires in Canada led to smoke and air quality in the Northeast U.S. And PACE is going to help us better track that wildfire smoke. And we can combine it with other observations and information we have to better predict that.
Dr. Kate Calvin from NASA, thank you so much. Happy Earth Day to you.
Happy Earth Day.
All right, from a NASA scientist to a weather scientist, Mike Syka will have another look at the forecast for our little portion of the Earth as Wake Up continues.